1, 2,
1.
3/4 cup.
Okay.
Full.
3/4 cup full.
2.
Okay.
And
Wow! I'm sure
and
this will be so yummy.
3.
And Chloe is missing out a lot. Don't you think so, my sweetie?
Yes.
Where are you, Chloe?
She's still here.
Where?
4.
Where is Chloe?
Sama pa.
5.
5. 6.
Okay.
6.
6.
1 pie. Yippee.
Excuse me.
3. 4.
Okay.
3.
Yes.
Well, count me this one. This one looks like a star.
Oh.
1. Count me this one.
Okay, what a shirt. Yes, yung star, ma.
Well, count.
Okay.
1,
2.
3.
We have to be
4,
faster
5.
because Bebe is crying. So, Mommy has to pick up our Bebe in the room. Almost done. Oh, I thought we're going to make 12 cupcake muffins, but then Mommy's wrong. Okay. Okay, so we need to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius.
So how many cupcakes
to
do you make? Do you count how many cupcakes do you make?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Count again.
1, 2,
Again, Mommy and you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, 8 muffins, orange cranberry muffins, okay? So, for how long do we need to put it? Why don't you put it in the oven and why don't Mommy just do it, okay? Because it's dangerous for you.
Same milk pocket.
Yes, of course. Let me get my Christmas mitten out. And how long do we need to bake this? This is
What a mitten then.
for 20,
What a mitten then.
for 12 to 15 minutes, okay? At 177 degrees Celsius. So,
What a mitten.
let me set our timer at 12 minutes and we should be back, okay? Why don't we say bye-bye for now and wait for later, okay? Until next time, this is Cupcake and
Mommy,
Mom. You're the daughter and I'm the mother. Thank you for watching us. Bye-bye. Enjoy our recipe. Bye-bye.